Good day everyone, this is Sir Ken and today magkakaroon tayo ng fast drill sa ating Philippine fathers. Kapag tinanong sa board exam, who is the father of Philippine socialism? That's Isabelo de los Reyes. Kapag tinanong, who is the father of the local government code? That's Aquilino Pimentel. Kapag tinanong, who is the father of the Philippine archipelagic doctrine? That's Arturo Tolentino. Kapag tinanong, who is the father of the Philippine Constitution? That's Claro M. Recto. Kapag tinanong, who is the father of Philippine journalism? That's Marcelo del Pilar. Kapag tinanong, who is the father of the modern Philippine sculpture? It's Napoleon Abueva. Kapag tinanong, who is the father of Philippine Internet? That's William Torres. Kapag tinanong, the founder of Katipunan? Andres Bonifacio. The father of Philippine Revolution? Andres Bonifacio pa rin. Kapag tinanong, who is the father of Philippine democracy? Andres Bonifacio pa rin yan. Kapag tinanong, the father of Philippine Sonata? That's Nicanor Abelardo. Kapag tinanong, who is the father of social justice? That's Manuel Quezon. At kapag tinanong sa board exam, who is the father of the Philippine national language? That's Manuel L. Quezon. That's it for our drill on the Philippine fathers. This is Sir Ken. God bless everyone.